Hello once again to everyone. So today we will be doing another fragrance review. At ang i-review po natin ay, ayun, no, this is Stronger With You Amber ng Emporio Armani. So kamusta po ba itong fragrance na to? Stay tuned po. Ayun, so again guys, ang bibigyan po natin ng focus for today is Stronger With You Amber ng Emporio Armani. Ayan, this is a 2023 release and the latest release of the Stronger With You line. Ito po yung latest na flanker and ito po yung pangatlo sa Middle East exclusive edition or the exclusive edition. Of course, meron tong Stronger With You Wood, no, meron po yung Stronger With You Leather, and their latest release is the Stronger With You Amber. Of course, it is not only in the marketing side of it na nag-focus sila sa Middle Eastern market, no, but taking basically an inspiration sa Middle Eastern fragrance world or fragrance community. So, ito po ay I would say ang Stronger With You line, no, isa po siya sa talagang naging successful na line, no, na flankers yung mga sumunod sa kanya, no. Isa po to sa talagang naging successful. No wonder naging hype, no, ang Stronger With You. Lalo po ang Stronger With You Intensely, talagang hanggang ngayon nandun pa rin yung hype sa fragrance community ng Intensely, no. So anyway, before we proceed, gusto ko lang po ipakita sa inyo yung kanyang presentation, no? So this is the box, no? As you can see, the theme of amber, no, at saka yung gold, no, napakaganda lang, no, like the other flankers, no, ng Stronger With You. The details, of course, no, at yan po, no, that's the box, no, para makita lang natin, of course, the side, the back, no, the bottom, and pakita ko lang po sa inyo yung bottle itself, no, same theme ng amber color and the gold combination. Napaka elegant lang, napakaganda lang, no. So gusto ko lang pong ipakita sa inyo, no. So napaka elegant. Personally, ito po yung pinaka gusto kong color theme, no, kumbaga from the Stronger With You line, no. So there's a presentation, and ilalagay po natin again somewhere here ang accords and notes. For the accords, ambery, vanillic, lavender, and powdery. So yan po yung nakalagay sa Fragrantica. And the perfume notes are, tatlo lang po yung nakalagay: amber, Madagascar vanilla, and lavender, no. So yung tatlo lang na yan, no. Ang katanungan, what do I get here, no? Ano ba yung nakukuha natin dito knowing na this is from the Stronger With You line, no? So basically meron po tayong idea dun po sa root or sa base na notes, no, na ginagamit or pinaglalaruan kumbaga ng Stronger With You. So ano ba yung makukuha ko dito? So for me personally, again, this is a personal take sa fragrance. Of course, no, marami pong factor that would be involved, no, when you are trying out the fragrance. So this is a personal / subjective opinion dito po sa Stronger With You Amber. So for me, this starts off with this aromatic na lavender, no, and yung amber with vanilla. Basically guys, makukuha mo na yung tatlo, yung amber, yung lavender, yung vanilla. Lahat yun makukuha mo na sa opening pa lang, eh. Pero for sure, no, siguro may mga designer brands, no, na hindi nila dinidisclose in detail yung mga notes na ginamit. For example, bigyan ko po kayo Azzaro, no, lalo po ang the most wanted EDP Intense, the most wanted parfum na nasanay sila sa tatlo lang, sa apat lang na notes sa Fragrantica or Parfumo. Pero definitely if you would try to study or research further, meron ka pang ibang maamoy, no. So para sa akin, ito yung mga naamoy ko pa, no, na scents, no, just to give you an idea, or notes, no, just to give you an idea sa profile nito. So aside from the amber, the vanilla, and the lavender, I could detect rose, no? Para siyang may sweet na rose na humahalo na sa lavender. So, you would know lavender. Ang lavender, no, that's powdery, no, that's fresh, spicy, no? Pero may rose eh. Meron siyang rose somewhere, no? To the point na pangalawa, meron siyang parang lychee effect, no? Siguro hindi man po directly lychee yung ginamit or merong lychee note, pero yung combination na yon, it creates this impression of lychee, no? So para siyang a bit jammy, no? Para siyang jammy rose, no? And para po sa akin personally, ito po yung siguro sa reviews, no? Hindi ito yung sinasabi nilang distinguishing mark ng amber. Pero for me, may nutty accord pa rin, no? May nutty na note pa rin, no? Yung ano, no, yung prominent na ginagamit, yung signature ng Stronger With You na nutty accords, no? Nandun pa rin yun, no? Of course, you would have to to put your nose closer, kumbaga, para ma-detect po yun, no? Pero definitely meron pa rin yung Stronger With You DNA na yun, yung signature na yun, no? And ayun, no, those are some notes na para sa akin personally na di-detect ko sa skin ko. And para sa akin, this is not really a departure, no, in contrast siguro sa mga ibang nag-review nito, no, for napaka few lang nag-review kasi nito, pero para sa akin hindi siya talaga departure completely from the Stronger With You line. It's still in the same vein, tone down lang siguro yung signature na yun, no? Para siguro mag-create of course ng difference, no, ng something na magdi-distinguish, kumbaga, from other flankers. Halimbawa, ito pong oud, no, you know na there's this designer use of oud, pero meron pa rin po yung prominent na nutty accord na ginagamit ng Stronger With You line. Ito pong amber, hindi mo na siya gaano madidetect, pero for me, nandun pa rin siya, no? Of course, this is that designer use of amber. I would like to take note of that, no? Kasi baka po yung iba takot sa amber na note, no? Baka may mga nagtatanong, sir, baka hindi wearable yung amber niyan, baka masyado siyang malakas, or siguro too different, no, na take ng amber na not suitable for beginners. Pero para sa akin, wearable, designer use of amber yung ginamit dito. Actually, mas wearable pa yung amber nito as compared sa Grand Soir ng MFK. Bigyan ko po kayo ng siguro, no, ilan sa na-sniff ko na talagang niche-like or nasa animalic facet na yung amber nila. Halimbawa po, bigyan ko po kayo ng example. This is Mask Milanos Tango. No, so this is that amber use na talagang animalic na, no. This is the niche use of amber, or even yung ano po, no, yung Byzantine amber ng Francesca Bianchi, no. So yun, mga animalic na yun, if you have sniffed them before, yan na po yung mga mas malalakas na klase ng amber, or hindi na siya pang beginner, no, niche na po yung level nun, no. So basically, that's the scent profile. Yan po yung impression. And again, no, shinare ko po yung thoughts ko about the amber use ng Stronger With You amber. Kumusta naman po yung kanyang performance, no? Para sa akin, it lasts a long time and projects good naman. Pero siguro ang gusto kong bigyan ng highlight ay yung silage, no, or yung scent trail. Sa malamig po ito, napakaganda ng scent trail, no. Grabe yung pag-suspend niya sa air. No, I really love yung scent trail nitong Stronger With You Amber. For me, the best to sa silage or sa scent trail as compared po sa iba pong mga kasama niya sa line, no. So again, this is overall a good performer if you are asking about the performance. At kamusta ba yung wearability niya? Better siya para sa akin sa malamig. No, and isa pang side nitong wearability, sino ba yung pwedeng magsuot? Of course, halimbawa, if you would look at Fragrantica, merong nakalist dyan it is unisex, it is more masculine, more feminine. Para po sa akin, ang nakakatuwa din dito sa Amber ay ito po yung siguro I would say completely unisex, no, kasi kung napansin po ninyo sa ibang line ng Stronger With You, no, it leans more masculine. Sinasabi po sa Fragrantica na unisex daw, pero para sa akin it leans more masculine kaya nga gumawa din sila ng line na para sa babae. Halimbawa yung In Love With You, Because It's You, no, yung line na yun, no. Para sa akin, ito po yung nakakuha nung DNA ng Stronger With You na ginawang more unisex, no. Siguro it is because of that lavender na parang sabi ko kanina may rose, parang may lychee. So para sa akin, yun, I would commend Emporio Armani for doing that, no. Mas ano siya, no, mas wider na tuloy yung naging scope niya, no, in terms of wearability. Tapos ayun, no, overall verdict, it's good naman talaga overall. I like na this is a good take talaga ng Stronger With You. But again, no, kung sawahan na kayo sa DNA ng Stronger With You, para sa akin, yes, meron siyang distinction, meron siyang some sort of uniqueness. Pero if you would look at it closely, as compared po sa iba pong mga kapatid niya or mga nauna sa kanya, this is not really a departure from the Stronger With You line. I would say pa, no, na mas unique pa si Oud, no, as compared sa iba. Pero parang ito, no, for me lang, no, before we end, no, just to describe it to you, para pa rin siyang Stronger With You absolutely. Meron po akong absolutely dati na inalis mo yung rum or you tone down the rum at pinalitan mo siya ng lychee or rose, no, at inamp up mo siguro yung vanilla, inalis mo yung rum, no. So basically ganun pa rin yun, no. Again, no, kanina ko pa sinasabi, it's not really a departure from the Stronger With You line. So ayun, no, para sa akin, of course, no, Stronger With You, it has may ano na yan, no, gumawa na yan ng pangalan sa fragrance community. At if you would like to try this one, para po sa akin, siguro magandang kumuha pa kayo muna kayo ng decant, no, before you commit to the full bottle. Pero para sa akin, okay naman siya for blind buy, no, lalo if you like the Stronger With You line. So anyway, guys, before we end, shout out po sa nakuhanan ko ng Stronger With You Amber, Pops Jazz Harry, maraming salamat po dito. And if you find this video helpful and interesting, please do like, share, and subscribe. Maraming salamat po. Ingat po kayo.